Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And this today's video I'm going to show you how you can change a time zone on Windows 11. Alright guys, here I have opened my laptop on Windows 11, and the first thing we have to do is clicking on the date and time right here on the bottom right corner of our screen. Then we're going to click on settings option, and then on the settings option we have to select the time and language setting right here. Tap on it, and then you can click on the date and time setting. Okay, and now you can change your time zone right here. You can select the time zone that you want and just click on this option. And for example, I'm just going to select this one. Okay, and as you can see that the time zone has been changed, and that's how we can change the time zone on Windows 11. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this tutorial is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.